Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I want to talk to you about minimal effort, maximum impact dressing. This is a very simple dressing, but it gets used a hell of a lot in kitchens. So let me talk you through how to do it. It's got only a minimal amount of ingredients, so it should be nice and easy for you guys to complete at home. What you're going to do is you're going to add in your Dijon mustard, just a little bit of that, just to help emulsify your dressing. We're going to add in some seasoning, so some salt and pepper into that. And then we have lemon juice, okay? This is the star of the dressing, lemon juice. I'm gonna pop that in and we're gonna whisk that around just to break that up and get that all at the same consistency. Once we start adding our oil, we need to add it in really nice and slowly and just make sure that's whisked up really nicely before we start. Okay, so in goes our oil. We're gonna, like I said, add it in slowly at the start, and then once a little bit is in there and it's already starting to emulsify, you can go a little bit faster, but if this is your first time, just take it nice and easy. Okay, so start off, a little drizzle, and then you're gonna see it slightly thickening, slightly changing color there. And then just keep going. Another thing you can do instead of using all your manual hand power is to use a stick blender. So we can pop the stick blender inside, whisk that up, and slowly add in your oil. Keep in mind when you're making this dressing, you want it to be sharp and zingy and zesty in lemon flavour, just to hold up against any salad that you're going to mix it with. Always take it a little bit further than what you think, because once it mixes in with the salad, it will die down a little bit in flavour. Once you've added in the remainder of your oil, keep in mind not to split it. So if you start seeing oil separation on the side there, stop adding and whisk it really fast or blend it really fast with your hand blitzer there. Can you see how we've got a beautiful consistency to our dressing there? It's sticking and it's holding together. What you then need to do is taste your dressing. If you're happy with the seasoning and the sharpness from the lemon, then you can go ahead and use that on your dressings. I just want to show you the dressing itself, nice and emulsified and held together.